What did you get, Cutler?
Nemo!
It's not Nemo. Look at it.
Play-Doh set!
Which one?
Which one?
I don't know!
Turn it around. They have this one in a lot of your videos. What is that guy? Look at.
Things.
Teeth face?
Yeah.
Is that Mr. Mouth?
It's Mr. Chewy.
Yeah, thing.
The one who makes the chewing sounds that Mom hates.
Yeah, the chili thing.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Can you smile?
Okay, it's. I like every piece.
I opened my last one. Open my last one.
Okay, open it up. See what it is. Cutler, what kind of paper is that?
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol. Can you sing the song for us?
No.
Oh, okay.
Look at little hardwood out there. Hardwood. Hardwood. Hey.
So, Cutler, how old are you again?
I'm 7.
He's 7 years old. Tomorrow is actually your birthday. Actually, his birthday is at like 10 o'clock tonight because he was born at 1 a.m. Tucson time. So. What is that?
Paw Patrol.
What are those?
Stickers.
Yay!
Stickers. So.
Can you hold it up for the camera? Look at me, Cutler.
Okay, so is that everything? Is that all of your presents, Cutler? Did you get everything you wanted? What was the thing you wanted most of all?
Play-Doh.
There's something else, wasn't there?
Maybe,
What else did you want?
Maybe we should have him stand and close his eyes.
Let's do that.
We
Okay.
have one more thing for you, but you have
Okay.
to stand.
Come over here, Cutler. Okay, I want you to stand right here. Stand right in the living room.
Close your eyes.
I like how he holds his hands out. Close your eyes. Keep them closed. It's coming. Not yet. They're still closed.
Don't open. No opening.
Don't open.
Not yet. All right. You can open it now.
Open your eyes. What is that, Cutler? What kind of machine is that? What do you do with it?
Cutler?
Quarters in it.
Yeah, you gotta go earn. You gotta do a job so you can have money to use it.
How?
How about if we give him a coin, so let him use it?
Let's do one freebie this time because it's his birthday.
Dad hid all of his coins, so you don't just take them.
Told you! Told you! Told you! Told you! Told you! Told you! We want a sheep!
Get so much every time.
You want money?
Sure!
I'll give you 3.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
Haha, told you!
Wait, nope.
Make it!
Uh-oh. It's a little bit, sometimes it doesn't work. Let's try it again. Oh, did it work?
What?
I heard something.
Yeah, sometimes they just don't go through. We'll try it again.
I want to try again.
Try again.
Try again.
I want to try again.
All right.
No, I want
Put it right there.
No, I want to do it myself.
I know, I'm trying to help you.
Machine?
Is it working?
I told you. All right, now let's. The first one didn't work, but this one might. I'm wondering if these are too big. We
They're not.
tested it out. It's
Did I hear something go down?
Stop. It worked.
Cutler!
Cutler, there's a little prize for you. What did you get? Let's look at it. What is it?
A ball.
Yeah, it opens up. Look, Cutler. Watch. Oh my gosh.
Just like at the stores. Try to squeeze it. Yeah.
It's a little sticky guy.
Oh my gosh.
Can I open it for you?
There's no more. You
Yeah.
gotta earn coins.
Cutler, why don't you look at your guy that you
Look at
got?
your little sticky guy.
Throw him on the
Cutler,
window.
look. Can I show you
Yeah.
something? No? Okay. Can I see him?
So, Cutler, do you like
Stick it
this?
right there.
Cutler, stand by your machine and smile. Smile at Mom.